Brooklyn pedestrian accident lawyer. Thousands of pedestrians are struck by vehicles annually on Brooklyn's busy streets, facing serious injuries, mounting medical bills, and lost income. Pedestrians have no protective barrier between their bodies and moving vehicles, making even low-speed collisions devastating. Even a collision at 20 or 25 miles per hour can cause injuries, requiring surgery, extended rehabilitation, or lifelong medical care. Common pedestrian accident injuries include fractures of the legs, pelvis, ribs, and arms, along with traumatic brain injuries and concussions. Spinal cord injuries, internal organ damage, and knee ligament tears requiring surgical repair are also frequently seen in these cases. The severity of the injury directly affects the value of a pedestrian accident claim and determines available compensation options. Brooklyn's dense traffic, wide arterial roads, and high pedestrian volume create conditions where collisions happen frequently throughout the borough. Distracted driving from texting, phone calls, and GPS use takes a driver's eyes off the road at critical moments. New York vehicle and traffic law prohibits the use of handheld electronic devices while driving to prevent these dangerous situations. Drivers must yield to pedestrians in crosswalks when traffic control signals are not in place or not operating under state law. Higher speeds reduce reaction time and increase the force of impact, with pedestrians struck at 30 mph twice as likely to be killed. Left-turning drivers account for a disproportionate share of pedestrian crashes because they focus on oncoming traffic rather than crosswalks. New York operates under a no-fault insurance system where your own insurance company pays certain basic costs regardless of fault. Personal injury protection coverage provides up to $50,000 per person for medical expenses and 80% of lost earnings. For pedestrians without auto insurance, the no-fault claim is typically filed against the insurance of the vehicle that struck them. No-fault benefits cover basic economic losses quickly, but do not cover pain and suffering or losses exceeding the $50,000 cap. To recover damages for pain and suffering, injured pedestrians must demonstrate their injuries, meet New York's serious injury threshold definition. This threshold includes death, dismemberment, significant disfigurement, fractures, permanent loss of use, and injuries preventing daily activities for 90 days. Brooklyn remains a focus of Vision Zero pedestrian safety planning, with corridors like Atlantic Avenue repeatedly identified for safety improvements. The attorney at Kucher Law Group represents pedestrians injured throughout Brooklyn and New York City from filing through litigation when necessary. The law firm investigates every contributing factor and works with accident reconstruction professionals to identify all responsible parties in your case. Contact Kucher Law Group at 929 563 6780, located at 463 Pulaski Street, #1C, Brooklyn, New York 11221, to schedule your free consultation today.